What's going on YouTube? So in this video we're going to be checking out some insane animal moments, and mainly other animals and animals as well, finding out the hard way about messing with something that's above their element. So this one is called Damn Nature and You're Scary, and if you don't know what that's from the Family Guy meme
on BET.
Damn, look at that sumbitch go. He hauling ass. That thing come by my house, I kill it. That little rat-looking thing just got ate. Damn, Nature, you scary.
But yeah, now that you know where that's from, let's get into this video, man. Let's go. And obviously, if it's too graphic, I'm pretty sure it wouldn't be on YouTube anyways, but I'm not surprised by anything nowadays. But if it is too graphic, I'll probably leave it out. Alright, so in this first clip, look like we got some dogs probably messing with an alligator, probably. I swear, dogs swear they so tough until they mess around and find out. Cause if that thing would have grabbed with them, they would have. I'm telling you. Bro. I'm not gonna pause it that much. I'm gonna try not to. So, but whenever I used to DoorDash for like on my free time, that used to be my biggest fucking fear. And there was one time this big ass Rottweiler almost got out, bro. It was the only thing I was holding back was a little tiny thin layer of what's it called? A little thin like it was like glass kind of, and it had a little screen. It was scary. It was scary. That's a brave dude right there. That's a brave dude. That's a brave dude. That's why people hunt them.
Sí. No, amor. Vengas, no, vente para acá ya. Porque ya está venciendo la ventana.
That's why you gotta have a gun. I already see what's about to happen. There's something right there. But that's why you gotta have a gun, bro. You gotta have a gun. I don't care, bro. You always in every scenario. Especially if you know bears are around, bro. You got to. That thing would have got hit with the. You know what I'm saying? So you gotta protect yourself. I wouldn't do. People that do that are crazy as fuck. People that do that are crazy as hell. I'm not finna be in a large amount of water with something like a little ass boat protecting me. Hell no. I remember seeing this. It was hurt.
Get the snake, get the snake. Get it. Yes!
Don't get close. Damn, let them open it. Let them open it. What the fuck? Oh, hell no. Oh, hell no. Hell no. Yep. Run like if it's a brown bear, run like hell. This video is funny. I seen the context behind it. This dude right here was ready to come pick up this Chevy right here. Mint condition, nothing wrong with it. And as soon as he pulled up right there, the deer just fucking dude. After that, I would have became a professional deer hunter. After that, I promise you I would have. Idiot. Ooh. Right in the niblets.
I'm gonna punch your head in. Look at my dog. Hachi, feeling so tough now. How you doing?
Kangaroos are scary because I heard that from my Australian friend that they grab you with their talons, their claws, and then they like rip your like intestines out with their like feet while they're like got you gripped in front of them, and they like kick at you. That's kind of scary to think about.
Where were you to save him? And you?
Idiot. Idiots. Idiots. Like, what make y'all think that's a good idea? You fall in there, you're done. Oh shit. That's a shitty situation, literally. That motherfucker mean business. Look behind you. People be trying to tell dogs not to bark, but they really be trying to tell you something. That is terrifying. It broke it off the hinges, bro. See, I couldn't live nowhere with bears, bro. I couldn't.
If anyone was wondering.
There it goes. Oh, you're an idiot. Oh, you're an idiot. Yep, there it is. The baby's got fast reflexes. All these ads. You better leave.
Oh my God! Holy
I couldn't do that, bro. What is that? You had one job. One job.
What? Yeah, run. Oh, he did come at you! Whoa!
Oh, hell no. Them things want to eat that motherfucker, bro. They want to eat that thing.
Player, can you please stop chewing my wall? I know you want me.
That's so cute.
Okay, I know you want me. But buddy, you put a hole in it.
I'd throw that shit. I wouldn't. Oh, it smart. Oh, there's two. Oh, there's two. Hell no. The only thing I've ever had to do in my life is roaches, bro. Not a lot, but you know, I couldn't imagine looking down in my house right now and seeing a fucking rat. I couldn't tell you what I would do. I genuinely could not tell you what the fuck I would do. I can't. I can't.
Hello.
This is gonna be a jump scare.
One of those kill it with fire moments.
This is gonna be a jump scare. Okay. I couldn't live nowhere with Komodo dragons, bro. Like that. That's so. Cause you gotta think about with Komodo dragons, like if they don't find no food, they eat what they can find, which is might be your ass. You know what I mean? So. I wouldn't be scared of no bird, bro. I just fucking like a fly or something, you know. Ooh, it's put itself in a shitty predicament.
Sit back and enjoy.
Cause it might fall off the roof. Or, okay, or just stop recording. Or they're about to fuck that thing up.
He just came in. He's washing his hands with the soap. He's washing his hands with the soap. He's using the soap to wash his hands.
I think it went down your shirt.
I would have gave it some food.
Oh, it's under your collar. No. Like right there, right there.
Remember that? Don't ever come this way. Go somewhere else. Please.
Go somewhere else, please. Remember that, please. Thank you. Why would you keep the door open? What was that? Uh-oh.
I don't care as long as I'm in here.
I was not expecting that. Those things are ginormous, bro. People find that funny in the music, but I don't, bro. Like I couldn't deal with that, bro. I couldn't deal with monkeys trying to steal my shit. Like while I'm on vacation, they literally take anything to get their hands on. Like you leave your phone, it's like if you're walking with your phone out like to your side. They'll literally grab that shit and take off, and you're not getting it back. Unless you some type of superhuman, you got superhuman speed, you're not getting that back. They'll take your sunglasses off your face, anything shiny that they see for no reason. Like what are you gonna do with it? They'll take your shoes. That an anteater? I think it is. You got to be careful with anteaters. Those things are actually really strong. Does she not see the spider? Does she not see the spider? Does she? He really had nothing to worry about. Killer whales aren't that bad. I would have did the same thing because ain't no telling how far Mama was. We caught him some food. Okay. And porcupine. Poor doggo. Poor doggo. How do you even get in that situation? Yep, seen it coming. What the fuck? What is this? Nah, this is making my skin crawl. I ain't gonna lie to you. What the fuck? What is this? What was that? It's about to grab his hand. Yep. It's going in there. It's going through the bag. See, I couldn't deal with that, bro. I couldn't deal with that, bro. I would kick the shit out of that monkey. I'm sorry. I would kick the shit out of it, bro. I'm sorry. I would. That's a squid.
Bro, let me go.
He must have really had to go. Oh my god. What the fuck? It's about to hit her, I think. Yep.
Okay. Okay, I guess we don't get too close.
Oh my god. That's just gross. Look at that. Oh my
Longhorn.
gosh. He's gonna scratch my foot.
I've actually rode on the back of one of those before, actually. It was quite fun. Kind of scary, too.
Look at that. Oh my gosh. He's gonna scratch my foot. Oh my god.
The buffalo tried to defend it, but he didn't do a good job. He did not do a good job. Actually, hang on. Matter of fact, hang on. That's what's on my belt buckle right here. That's what's on my belt buckle. Okay. Anywho, they're probably like, we don't care. Okay.
Oh, go ahead and get it. That's me.
¡Ay, Miguel! He dead wrong for trying to ride that heifer. Dead wrong for that.
Here we go. You've eaten that lure. Jesus Christ! Holy moly!
Cut the line.
Right in the corner of the jaw.
Cut the line.
Oh no, they're shut in there? No! Oh, honey. That's not a toy!
What the fuck?
Get the paddle.
I'm saying, like, what are you doing? You got a whole paddle. I would have been like, hit the shit out of it with the paddle. What are you doing? That's not a smart idea. Get out the water. You in its territory. You don't want to get trampled by one of those. Yep. Smart idea. That's a beautiful heifer. It don't. I'll tell you this right here. It don't take a lot to intimidate, you know, cows and general steers and all that those type of stuff. But if you do, you better stick to your roots. When it comes at you like that, you're supposed to stand your ground. And you're supposed to be like, what, yeah. Like, stay loud and stay wide, intimidated. Because, like, I swear to you, cows, they really don't have that big they don't have the biggest of attention spans. They really don't. I just throw the whole bucket out.
Skylar! Stinks.
She got lucky and catch a eye. Gator. Ain't no catfish. That's a gator. That's a gator. That's a gator. Nope.
Yeah. We'll be eating good tonight.
No, you won't.
Not a catfish.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
That's some of the most stinkiest stuff you could ever see. I couldn't. People like this are crazy. I'm not getting underwater like this and I can't see. Like, bro. Like, so imagine this scenario, right? Imagine this scenario. You right here in front of this gator, right? And you just all of a sudden turn the camera around, and there's just a big ass gator coming from that way that you had no idea was coming, but it feels your vibrations in the water. I'm not doing that, bro. People are crazy. People are crazy, bro.
This is James from the Tulsa Swamp Hotline at Shadow Mountain Honey Company. We're at Walgreens at 50 St. Louis. And we got a bee swarm on a car. Check that out.
Jesus Christ. It's about to spit in his face. So it's about to spit.
Oh, he's on. He's on. Oh, he's gonna go. Oh, he's going hard. Oh, he's
That's Big Red right there. I feel like that thing called Big Red. If you yeah, that's Big Red. If you letting a chicken scare you from getting inside your house, I would have kicked the hell out of that thing. I ain't gonna lie to you. That's just me. Damn. The fuck?
Ya salió, cuidado. Jeez, dang it.
Man, if you don't kick that thing in the head. People be
commitment to you is to.
People be too scared of gators, bro. Like when it. Okay, I take that back. You have a reason to be scared of that kind of gator, because the younger ones are the ones that are most flexible and fast. You gotta worry about those more than the big ones. So yeah, they're right. Plus, they don't seem like they're the type that have been in the swamps and stuff like that. So never mind. That shit about to jump on them. But that took her worries away. Shit. Those are big ass spiders that they hide in the creases of your car. You probably got one in your car right now. You just don't know it. Just saying. Boom.
Oh my gosh.
Birds are stupid, bro. I've had a buzzard do that before. A whole bunch of traffic was coming past. It was a dead carcass on the side of the road, and instead of it going, it was a sidewalk on that way. I was on the right side, and there was a sidewalk on the right side. Instead of it going that way into the woods, it went right into the road, and it hit my new truck. It hit the front of my new truck. I had to get a whole new headlight, bro. I was pissed. This looks like, what the fuck? What are these? Oh, those are ants. I've had this type of problem. These are the most annoying ants you would ever see in your entire life. The most annoying ants. Ooh.
Big old tortoise.
Yeah, don't do that. You don't want that, obviously. Yeah, them things are not friendly.
He's too tired. This is your fault. I blame Tyler.
Kill it. Kill it now. Kill it fucking now. Just get a lighter and just gasoline, burn it, kill it. Hell no. Fuck no.
That's not a python. Where's his head at?
He's saying nobody eat me today. Ain't nobody eat me today. The boy saying nobody eat me today. Fuck that.
There he goes. There he goes. There he goes. There he goes. That means I'm dominant. I'm better. I'm better than you, and I'm dominant, and you better not come near me. That's a challenge. Oh my gosh, that was scary.
Aerodynamics and weight is a motherfucker. He's a good shit, baby. Good shit. That is a man reincarnated. That was pretty fun to watch. Do girls fail better than guys? Girls fail. Okay, so obviously, you know, this is going to be a channel that I subscribe to. Okay, so yeah. Shout out to them, and I like this compilation. It was pretty entertaining. Not gonna lie, so I'm gonna definitely check out a lot more of the videos. But in the meantime, let me know your thoughts on this one right here. Let me know if y'all want to see some more stuff like this. Make sure that like button and make sure y'all subscribe. And we're going. Peace.